Salam everyone. So in this lesson we are now starting Surah an-Naziat, which is the second surah of the 30th Juz. So we are going quite fast and I hope you're revising in the meantime when we don't have lesson uploads. And just keep practicing and you'll get there. I know it's a bit difficult, but again, don't lose hope. We're very close. This is actually quite difficult. So if you can do this, then you are well on your way to understanding the meaning of the rest of the Quran as well. So keep at it and keep us in your prayers. Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.
فأراه الآية الكبرى and see it. Ra is seeing, right?
Yes. Ra'a is seeing. So the who at the end can be it or also he, right?
Okay. So seeing him,
Oh,
al-ayat, the great al-kubra, the great signs.
yeah. And also remember how it was Ra'a was to see, but Ara or Nara was to show someone.
Okay. No, I didn't remember. Okay. So showed him the great signs.
Yeah. So we were talking about like Pharaoh in the previous verse. So فَأَرَاهُ, and then we showed him, our great signs, al-ayat kubra. Then Sarah,
Sorry,
فكذب وعصى.
can you, oh, sorry, so sorry. Can you go up again? To translate then Moses showed him the great. Okay, so Musa alayhi salam showed Pharaoh the great signs.
yeah, فَأَرَاهُ الْآيَةَ الْكُبْرَى.
Then he showed
Them the great sign.
Okay, tamam.
Okay,
So here فكذب وعصى, fa is like then كذب is like lying. وعصى is like just getting when you are just like a tantrum or something. What's that?
This is, I thought it's like disobeying. Don't know.
Disobeying, yeah.
And then فَكَذَّبَ is that he belied it. So he called him a liar instead.
So yeah, كذب is just, yeah, okay, so it's a passive then.
Yeah, because it's not كذب or كذب. That would be he lied.
It's just like like Ara is also for me like something new. Like as it was kind of like Ara, no? It's just Ara and like كذب.
Yeah. Did you know
both of them has like passive.
Did you know Ra'a?
Ra, yeah, I know. Like I remember.
Yeah, one cool thing, you know how like they say Eureka? I was at OSIS and then Sheikh Ibrahim was telling us this, how in I think Latin or something, how the people say Eureka, like, oh, I understood it, yeah, I got it finally. Have you seen those? And then whereas this word Eureka in Arabic means he shows you.
That's interesting.
It just shows that different perspective, whereas man is like, oh, I understood it and I figured it out, but Eureka is like, oh, he actually shows you. That's super nice. So yeah, it's the same. So Ra'a and then Arahu, but Eureka would be he shows you. It's the passive. Okay, then
ثم أدبر يسعى. Then أدبر يسعى. سعى, something with time. أدبر.
That is
أدبر.
So you're confusing it with Sarah. So sorry, the pen.
Oh, is it with Saad? Sarah?
See, one second, where's my pen?
Yes, of course.
So, seen, this is sa'a, hour, or time.
Isn't that the same?
This one is sa'a, sa'a,
Oh, without the
alif.
okay, alif and with the ha or ta.
Exactly, and this yes sa'a, so
It's like trying or something.
trying really hard, like striving for something. And adbara, do you remember like
No.
dubur?
Dubur.
Yeah. Or adbar. So
I
that
don't think I heard it about. Maybe I have. I don't remember. SubhanAllah.
adbarihim. So dubur was back, like dubur is back. So adbara is like
I feel like it's a long time I've heard this word.
yeah,
But
yeah,
but it says something to me when you say back.
yeah. And
Oh,
then
it's
like
turn back, turn away. Oh.
you turn
It's
your
not like tadbeer. No, they are different.
Tadbeer, so it is yudabbir, which means to regulate or to arrange. Yudabbirul amr, that God organizes stuff. So that's also linked. So I think it's because tadbir is like your is it no, not destiny, but something that happened, right? Tadbir or and yudabbirul amr, like to make something happen. So maybe it's that the whole thing turns, and
Yeah.
visually kind of it makes sense.
The only thing when I think about turned away
Yeah.
is when it's with ta. I can't remember. It's in Surah Al-Mu'minun when they turn away from evil speech.
Mu'ridun. Oh yeah.
Mu'aridun, yes.
This
That's like with the da. I remember the da.
and also like aqabihim is turning on your heels. So it's also to turn away.
Okay, so there's several terms. Okay.
So ثم أدبر يسعى. So he turned his back and strived, meaning like he was striving against the truth and plotting against it and trying really hard.
Okay.
Okay, your turn.
Okay.
فحشر فنادى. Hashara is like the what's that, the Qiyamat? The day of Hashar? No, it's not like
Yawm
that.
al-Hashr.
Yeah, it's, but I'm just thinking that is just like if you call someone Fanada is just like calling, not is nadi. But Hashara is like
gathering.
Gathering. Oh, so it's a yom of gathering. Then gather and call them.
Yeah. So he called his people and he gathered them. So then Bervan.
Okay, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. فقال أنا ربكم الأعلى. And he said, أنا ربك, I am your master, الأعلى, the most high.
So
and Pharaoh said that. No, you're not. Excuse me. I just had that. It wanted to say.
just put your opinion here.
Okay, then.
فأخذه الله نكال الآخرة والأولى. And then Allah take him. Nakala, I don't know. Nakala al-akhirat al-ula.
So nakal, it means as an example. and like an exemplary punishment. So what might help remember? So in Urdu, at least, we have nakal, which means to copy someone. And so nakal al-akhirah, like, you know, it was like an example to copy, almost like it was a punishment. Al-akhirati wal-ula, as in an example in this life and like in the next. Akhirah.
Well, ula here is like this year, this, and akhirah is the next, or nakal al-akhirah. What's the ula here? Is the next one?
Ula is this one. Ula is from awwal, which means like the first.
Awwal. Okay.
Last. So it's an example for the last and the first. So it's also translated as this. Look, a punishment for his last and first transgression. Whereas this scholar translates it as this life and the next. So
that's a punishment.
Okay, subhanallah.
So his first transgression was this. The last transgression was him saying that Ana Rabbukumul A'la, and then the first transgression, he also said, yeah, that I am your God. Cool. Okay, then.
Okay, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إن في ذلك لعبرة لمن يخشى. Indeed, in this, لعبرة, there is a lesson. لمن يخشى. Wait. A lesson from khushu. Khushu, is it from the same? No, okay. يخشى. I've heard this before. يخشى, wait. خاشية. يوم خاشية? No, خاشية.
Wakhshawni or yakhsha.
Even khushu is similar, no?
Yeah, khushu.
Khushur is with ayn. Khushur means humble and submissive, not khashya, which means fear.
I thought it's just like out of fear you're humble, but no, that's true. It's different.
If it helps you remember, then I guess. But yeah, it's submission and humility. So I'm very impressed. Good job that you remembered Ibra's lesson.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Turkish as well. Is it Ibrat? Is it in Turkish?
Ibret, yes. Exactly. But wait, the translation says
Liman yakhsha. So did you get this bit? Liman.
To what?
Li. So li meaning for.
For
man, whoever.
yeah. Yeah. True. For whoever who is in khushu of Allah. Yeah.
Fear. Not khushu, or not the ayn khushu, but whoever has fear. Yakhsha.
But it says in awe here in translation.
Yeah, and also fear.
So it could be both.
Yeah. Not
Because otherwise I'll get confused. I need this word to know. It can be fear and in awe, like in humility.
But khushu is more like humility. So khushu is like, if you think about it, it's a calm emotion. But khashya is a positive, like a high emotion.
Yeah, but it says awe, which is also like this calm emotion.
But that's a word. it has different meaning. Here I cannot do anything about it. Even if you insist, here I cannot change.
That is true. SubhanAllah. Okay.
Your turn, Sahar.
So that was it for this lesson. I hope you found that useful. Please do like this if you found it helpful and leave a comment. It makes my day and it also really helps the channel. So jazakallah khair and see you in another video.